Hello and good evening to everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank God, our Heavenly Father, for everything He has blessed me with, and for giving me this opportunity to stand before you this evening. These past 9 years have been full of laughs, cries, bad hair days, happy days, and sad days. But not only that, they've been filled with ends of quarters, ends of semesters, ends of sports seasons, ends of friendships, ends of school years, and now our grade school years have ended. But all this is just the beginning. There will still be another semester and another year to come after an all too short summer. Being here at St. Edmunds has prepared and given me the extra push I needed to continue on and succeed in the future. I've attended here for almost all my life, and within that time, I've experienced many things. As most may know, when I was in the 3rd grade, my family and I went through a very stressful time when my mother became ill with pneumonia and passed away shortly after. At times it's hard for me in different situations, but I believe I'm stronger because I know she's still here with me every day and will always be in my heart. Within my education here, I've met people and built relationships that are priceless. This celebration marks the conclusion of our education as students of St. Edmunds School. It marks the first day of the rest of our lives as graduates. I know I will take what I've learned here, expand it, and use it to the best of my ability in high school, in college, and in my profession. So with this said, I would like to say congratulations to us, the